Hello students, welcome to NDC Learning. Standard SY Subject is advertising. Topic is chapter number 1, advertising media. Today we will going to learn about outdoor advertising. Outdoor advertising, you can also say that out of home advertising. It is also known as mural advertising. Now it includes all wall paintings, displays, neon signs, posters, billboards, skywritings, etc. Outdoor advertising is the oldest type of advertising. You can say it's over 500 years ago. The use of signs on prominent rocks along with the trade lanes about 3000 before Christ were found in Babylonia. So let's learn about advantage of outdoor advertising. Now, size. Outdoor advertising can be of any size from small to big size. Now, depends from a small sign of a shop to a very large size billboards or painting on wall or anything. Depends upon the firm. So, size जो है वो fix नहीं है. It could be anything. Next one, multiple exposures. One of the outstanding features of outdoor advertising is that it stands still and readers, viewers exposed to a very to it every time he or she passes by the poster or hoarders. Outdoor advertising has the greatest advantage of repeat exposures विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट. जितनी बार आप पास होते हो वो पोस्टर के सामने से उतनी बार आप वो एड को रिमाइंड कर सकते हो. इसमें ज़्यादा खर्च जो है वो बार बार नहीं लगता है. सो इट इज़ द इसका सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है. नेक्स्ट वन, सपोर्टिंग मीडियम. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पर्सन मूव आउटडोर फॉर सम वर्क और अदर. Therefore, those who move outdoors are exposed to the hoardings or billboards if it is displays attractive and at proper लोकेशन. अब देखोगे सपोर्टिंग मीडिया नॉर्मली हर एक पर्सन जो है वो घर के बाहर जाता है और वो कुछ ना कुछ जो है वो आपके आजू बाजू में थोड़ा बहुत देखता है जो अट्रैक्टिव हो. स्पेशली व्हेन यू गो टूवर्ड्स जुहू बीच, वहाँ पे देखोगे बड़े बड़े होर्डर्स लगे रहते हैं. वहाँ पे सबका ध्यान जाता है बिकॉज वो जगह भी अट्रैक्टिव है और वो प्लेस भी वैसी है और वो चीज़ भी वहाँ पे वैसी रखी हुई रहती है. सो सबका ध्यान जो है वो जाता है. Next one, that is impact of colors. Yes, outdoor advertising can be made very effective with the use of several colors combination to illustrate the advertising message. Local selectivity. Now, outdoor advertising can make use of local language to convey advertising message. Also, color combination in billboards or hoarders can be used in suit the likings of the local audience. Low cost medium. Outdoor advertising is very less expensive as compared to print and television media. In a city like Mumbai, the average monthly rent for the site in posh locality like Marine Drive, it will be like 10 by 20 can cost around 1 lakh or so on approximate. सबसे कम खर्चा इसमें आता है. Maximum flexibility. Outdoor advertising offers maximum flexibility. The advertiser can alter the advertising message at any time to take the advantage of timely or seasonal demands. Also, the advertiser can choose the market areas in which he wishes to advertise. Right? जहाँ पे भी वो चाहता है वहाँ पे अपना प्रोडक्ट, अपना बोर्ड, होर्डर्स जो है वो लगा सकता है. जब भी लगाना चाहता है वो लगा सकता है. Longer life. Outdoor advertising enjoys a longer life as compared to newspapers and television. For example, billboards may enjoy a life of a month or even more. As long as the same message remains, the life of outdoor medium is extended to the number of days or even couple of months also. Yeah. Let's learn about limitation of outdoor advertising. Problem for detailed information. Now, the outdoor advertising message has to be brief, perhaps restricted to the headline, brand names, slogan, and address of the retailer. Detailed information cannot be provided as the viewers would not like to stand and read the entire copy of the billboard. लाइक इसमें आप पूरा डिटेल के साथ पूरी ऐड नहीं दिखा सकते। हम लोग खड़े खड़े रास्ते पे जो देखने वाला है वो देखेगा नहीं कि इसके अंदर कौन सा कलर है, इसके अंदर कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, ये सब चीज़ हम लोग जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स आए हुए हैं वो हम लोग नहीं देखेंगे। इसलिए ये एक माइनस पॉइंट है, दैट इज पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन डिटेल में नहीं होती है। नेक्स्ट वन, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्लटर। Outdoor advertising faces the problem of clutter. The outdoor ads of one product or brand is often surrounded by number of other ads also, especially in railway platform, at the bus stands. Also, there are number of ad distractions, and such they might block the attention of the people towards the outdoor ad. क्या होता है, एक ही एड के बाजू में बहुत सारी और छोटी मोटी एड भी रहती है, तो हमारा ध्यान जो है पर्टिकुलर एड पे नहीं रहता है, हम सब चीज़ देखते रहते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्वालिटी। The layout and the color combination may not be up to the mark. This may not attract attention of the target audience, and at time, may people create poor impression on the mind of the target audience. Sometimes it happens that way also. Problem of placement. The billboards and posters needs to be placed at the right location, where it is possible for the passerby to view the advertisement. However, quite often there is the difficulty of getting the appropriate place or site, and such the outdoor advertising remains unnoticed. So proper placement जो है वो कभी कभी नहीं मिलता है। Problem of error. The outdoor or out of home billboards, signs, etc. are painted by people who may not be well versed with grammar and spellings. You must have observed, कि जब भी आप घर के बाहर जाते हो तो कभी कभी आप खुद स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स देखते हो। पिक्चर अच्छा ड्रॉ किया है लेकिन नीचे जो लिखा है उसमें स्पेलिंग में मिस्टेक है, वेदर इट इज़ इन लोकल लैंग्वेज और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एजुकेटेड पीपल जिसने ये ड्रॉ किया है और लिखा है, तो दिस कुड बी प्रॉब्लम। तो उसमें एरर जो है वो आने की पॉसिबिलिटी है। Therefore, one may come across errors in such ads. Yeah. Next one, misuse. Misuse. Outdoor advertising is subject to misuse. Some may tear off the posters, or some other handbills may be pasted against the original ads. The misuse of outdoor advertising result is in wastage. कोई फाड़ देगा, कोई कहीं दूसरी जगह पे लगा देगा, ये सब प्रॉब्लम होता रहता है। Problems of audience selectivity. It offers limited audience selectivity. Even though certain market areas in a particular locality may be pinpointed, but still outdoor ad act as a mass medium as compared to certain specialty magazines where there is a good deal of particular audience selectivity.